Hi guys, it's Dale with another DIY tip. Today we're going to talk about unclogging your toilets. Hopefully for cheap you can rent one of these for $20 and it'll do the trick. There's two different kinds. They have a smaller one for sinks and a larger one like this one for toilets. It's important that when you put this into the toilet that you want to have this part down there so it stops the ceramic from getting scratched. The orange part's down there, stopping the toilet from getting scratched. You want to go in reverse to pull things out. And you can pull the handle back to retract it. This looks like toilet paper, but it's actually a wet wipe. You can tell because it's hard to tear. The toilet is unplugged.